said something, something will happen.
Oh
Sorry.
boy.
Well, if something
10
happens,
to
sorry,
go.
Rob.
Christian Eckes, Willie B, Roger Carruth, Tanner Gray, and Taylor Gray. The Gray brothers in top 5.
At least you didn't say
Oh, and
the.
Ingram.
No, I'm not gonna say it.
Wow. How
Ty
did
Rub.
he make that stick?
Tire rub.
Jeez. Oh, Tyler Ankrum, tire smoke. That's not good.
He's gonna stay out until the tire blows, and we're gonna have another green-white checkered.
Please don't. Please don't, Tyler.
Yeah, don't do it. Mario Andretti touched Tyler Ingram. No. Oh God.
You mean he nutted? Oh wait, what?
What? Damn. Oh my
Yeah,
God,
there
he's
it
still on
is.
track.
Oh, Mario Andretti
Good
and Nick
lord.
Sanchez. Oh man.
Well,
Wow.
unfortunately, you're gonna sort of tell us what happens next, since I'm behind by a few, and yeah, I forgot your name.
I think
Oh
you're
my
a bit ahead
gosh,
of
that is
Cito.
bad.
Brazil's ahead by a lot. They're showing 23 and 17 now.
I don't want to spoil anything for you guys. I don't want to spoil the drivers.
Brent Enfinger up to
Rango
5th
now
spot.
to the backstretch. No, 1951 battling now.
Oh God, come on, Ekis.
Oh, Byron's there. He's closing.
Cross the line new, but they crossed the line for me now.
Yeah,
Oh
here they
god,
come.
51's got the fucking run.
Oh my God.
Oh my gosh. Byron's there.
What the fuck are you doing? What a save. Fuck, that was close.
Oh! Jesus.
Oh, LaJoy! Save it! What a save! What a save!
When Denny Hamlin wait, what? No.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, come on,
5 to
Ekis, come
go.
on.
And Byron's all over Ekis.
It's not gonna happen there. Well, technically
Oh boy.
it did, because
You can't pass there, Byron. You can't pass there.
There's a lap truck coming. Fuck.
Oh, yep.
Oh, God.
Traffic could play into a factor.
No.
Well,
Okay, we're good.
51 lost them at that point when I'm watching.
Raj is part of the picture. Raj is in this.
Oh.
Oh my God.
This could be a 3-truck battle.
The lap truck's trying to get the inside, but they come almost at the worst time
Oh
ever.
my gosh. Traffic, get out of the way.
Got
Thank
out
you.
of the way.
Good man, Zane Smith.
Oh my God, Raja.
Oh, Raja's coming.
Dude.
High, wide, and handsome up there.
Oh, look at the run he just got off that corner. My goodness.
Come on, Raja.
3 to go.
51 sideways. That could give the 24 that position.
Oh my gosh, really thought was his Byron. Here goes Raja.
Correctly.
Yeah, let's have our Raja. 2 to go. Oh, come on, bud. Come on.
I mean,
come on, bud.
So far, no, I'm not gonna say it.
No, Christian Nick has opened the gap a little bit. Stand by. 2 laps to go.
Never mind. I hate this series so much.
Okay, who fucked up? Who fucked up? Series. Oh my God!
Oh, 3-car battle. Oh, come on! Timmy!
I hate
Come
this
on,
series.
Timmy!
I hate this series.
Oh my gosh, Timmy Hill.
No, I think he hit the wall. No, wait.
No, he didn't.
Flat tire.
I saw damage.
Stupid officiating.
Bruh. Are you serious?
There would not have been a yellow if this was in our 2003. below there, they would not throw a yellow in the game.
He's nowhere near the
And
racing
he
line,
got out of the
NASCAR.
way, and there was no one going to be down there.
Not even a racing circuit.
And he got it back going, so very
Bruh.
bad officiating.
I
Bruh.
hate this series so much with a passion.
Oh my gosh.
They done stupid crap that on Xfinity and Cup, so that's nothing different.
No, I just hate green white checkers in general.
Well, technically, this was the big three series that started it, even though the Southwest and all the other series
Yeah.
did it first. But
Well,
yeah, oh, well.
see what happens. All right, pace car to pit lane.
Oh, God, please, make it. Holy shit, Corey. Oh, Corey, no. Corey, no. Corey, no. Oh, Corey,
Here
no.
we go. Here we go.
Yeah, that's where I'm gonna turn my volume down, but I'm still gonna react to it.
Oh,
Sorry.
God.
Green, white, checker. Here we go. Oh, I guess spun the tires a little bit.
I fucking hate this motherfucking.
Hey, Tanner Gray! Tanner Gray helped!
Oh,
4 seconds!
hi, what are you
to the
doing?
front.
No,
Nice! Now,
Byron,
the rest of
see?
you,
Oh
don't do
my
anything
gosh.
stupid.
Oh my gosh.
And
Don't,
NASCAR, stay green.
don't.
We do
So-
not do
so
that.
this is-
Of
And we do not
course.
do that.
Of course.
And we do not
I'm
do that.
fucking pissed, man.
Oh my
This is
gosh.
bullshit.
All NASCAR had to do was give it a second or two after fucking Timmy Hill
And
spun.
Blake
and none
Garcia's
of the-
good night comes
But
to
you
an
know,
end
they don't
the
care.
wrong
Like,
way.
Get
They want
rid of
the-
fucking
They
green
want
white.
the right
This
of
is-
first attempt of entertainment. You know,
I hate the truck series so much with a
I
passion.
don't get it. Like, we're
Fucking-
gonna be here for a fucking. We're gonna just go the next 100 miles to get
Oh my
the
gosh.
lap before the white flag in, right?
Oh my gosh.
I hate this series.
I don't know who hates who more. Ian hating the truck series in modern day NASCAR, or Toronto Maple Leafs fans at the NHL right now.
More like I hate green white checkers more than I hate the truck series.
Yeah, I agree. I
But-
agree.
But we
We
all
actually
loved
had
it
fun.
back then when it mainly ran on short tracks.
That's where it came
Was
from.
one or none.
Obviously,
Oh.
short tracks needed to be checkers more than these fucking tracks do, but
Wow.
NASCAR said, "Oh, this looks interesting. Let's try this everywhere."
The truck series never fails to disappoint
It's
me.
funny. The trucks were the first to start the overtime too.
The truck series never fails to disappoint
I
me,
know.
piss me off.
Trucks
200
is like
miles.
ARCA 2.0.
Arca's not this bad. Calm down.
Hey, at least Red Horse
listen
Racing
to what I say.
for a night. I feel like a kid again.
True.
Red Horse.
Hey. Oh well.
Burn to see.
Oh no! Hold your line.
No,
There we go.
Roger.
There we go. Why are we going 4 wide at Darlington?
Oh god, hang on, bud. Hang on.
And Raj is
Because
just
we're
getting
throwing
bit
back to
in
the
the ass
50s, 60s,
again
making
by
Alright,
great
here
to
we
do
go.
that. Great start
by
for the
top
19.
5.
Make it to the white. Make it to the white. Make it to the
See if he
white.
can hold on to
Green,
the top
white,
10.
checker, here we go.
Oh, Lord.
I'm afraid may not be going his way right now.
Make
At
it to the
all.
Okay.
white.
Heim, why are you going 3 wide in the
Yes,
first
this is for
turn?
the win.
Why are we going 4
It
wide?
hits the
We're
wall.
still straight.
Goes out.
Keep it straight.
still
Keep it
straight.
straight. And Christian Eckes is
There's
gone.
no
Why?
yellow yet. They're going to get the white
Crazy
this
was
time.
just catching him.
Then we
Get
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 to
the
the white.
now.
Get to the
NASCAR
white.
You already took the
really
white.
doesn't want us to be 3, don't they?
Now,
All right, good. We got
now
the
hang
white.
on.
White
Really?
flag.
The
1 lap to
NASCAR
go.
Hot
Sponsored
Okay,
by
took the
Credit
white.
One Bank.
Series.
And Grant Enkfinger's in the wall. But we took the white.
Oh, no.
But we took the white.
Yeah. And no checkered.
Wait, is Cruz actually in 6 or am I tripping?
I think Roger's in 6.
He did not look in 6th place when
That
entering turn
pretty
3.
much
Maybe I'm
does
tripping.
it.
What's the point of having green white checkers?
You know what's
if
crazy?
you're gonna still have
You know
caution.
what's so
on the left
crazy?
side?
Like
But oh my gosh, Nick Sanchez in the Mario
the
Andretti
Bagnales
scheme
team
is
celebrating
done.
is- maybe NASCAR's calling something back. They're displaying the checkered flag. I guess that is the race.
Yeah, they made it to the white.
Yep.
I don't know why someone said they'd never make it to the white.
Yeah,
Do
what's
you
the
know
point
how
of-
this could have all been solved if we didn't have any of this shit?
Yeah. Yeah, here's the thing. What's the point
Corey
of having
Heim.
green? Wait,
Yep,
dude,
that's
Corey
it.
Heim, fucking
Christian
Christian
Eckes
Eckes,
and the
'cause I'm
Herschel
tripping.
McGriff paint scheme gets the win.
Christian Eckes, second win of the year, and his third in the Truck Series.
At least Herschel McGriff won. Thank God. But here's the thing. What's the point of having green-white checkers if you're still going to have yellows on the last lap? That defeats the purpose of green-white checkers.
Just make it one attempt in 2 laps, and it don't matter when the yellow gets thrown because we know that's how it's going to be. You know what I mean?
One or none.
Exactly.
One or none. That's all I got
Because
to say.
remember in the old days, like, if they took the white, it didn't matter. Oh, no one's thinking, oh, did he take the white or not? No, they just let it go and didn't have to race to throw the yellow. By the way, why the fuck would they call the caution for that?
Yep,
we see
congratulations,
other cars
Christian
doing it,
Eckes.
you don't throw it.
Your winner
It just hit the
on the
wall.
trucks at
Yeah,
Darlington.
just hit the wall. I don't get
Now
it.
on to Cup at Darlington.
So, like,